Hi, I'm Priya and welcome to my channel. I wanted to get this figure to me so quickly that I even went to the lengths of spending an extra $10 for DHL. Big spender! Just to get him here that much quickly. To make sure it wasn't lost at sea or anything. I splurged. And I have to say, god damn it, DHL, I may not love you, but you do deliveries very quickly, as you should for the price that you charge. And they arrived safe and sound. eStream's Rika and Yuta are here, and I'm so happy. I think they look so good. I really love the idea of like eStream doing more manga covers from Jujutsu Kaisen. Like, I'm really hoping they continue this. The only thing I wish, and obviously I knew about this before I pre-ordered the figure, I wish they had done like his hairstyle from the manga cover rather than going with, I mean, he had this hairstyle in the actual like manga itself and the movie, but his hairstyle on the actual cover is more like present Yuta rather than Jujutsu Kaisen 0 Yuta, but still it looks really good. I wish his hair was a little bit shorter. It looks like it's longer in the front than it should be, but maybe if it was shorter it would look odd. I don't know, like there's something slight about the bangs that are bothering me. Maybe you guys can figure it out what exactly is bothering me, what is off, but something feels off. Really happy that I decided to pick him up. I was a little nervous because I did cancel another eStream figure last year, and that was the Bunny Senpai figure with the train. Yeah, I canceled that pre-order because once I saw like some pictures of the final product when she released, shading just could not be found on that jacket. They forgot or something. I don't know. It was looking like Play-Doh. It was, hi, honey. I don't know if you guys have ever met Duchess. Honey, you want to say hi? I mean, you've probably met Duchess if you've been on my Twitch, but I don't think she's ever been on YouTube. All right, honey. You want to say hi? So this is Duchess. She is the residential murderer of the house. She is a hunting cat. And so she might look beautiful, but she is deadly. Absolutely deadly. We love her though. My little murderer? My little murderer? Yeah?
I will find you. And I will kill you.
So unimpressed. So yeah, that's my cat Duchess. Hi, honey. My little feral baby. No, away from the figure. Thank you, thank you. But yeah, so I did cancel that eStream figure last year. But I held out. I decided to hold on to this one because they did such a phenomenal job with Gojo. I think everything else, like the sculpt and everything, just looks really, really good. The only thing that there is just something about the bangs. There is something about the front fringe here that is just, I don't know what it is, man. I don't know. Other little nitpick. Hi, Annie. Chewie, what do you think? You got to see both animals today. Do you wanna be my lap? Come on. All right, there you go. Yes. What do you think? What do you think? Chewie's not impressed with the figure at all. It's not made out of bacon, therefore she does not give a single flying fuck. It's a great figure. He's gonna look so good in my collection. They are gonna look so good in my collection. I'm so sorry, Rika. I don't mean to keep disrespecting you like this. Like, I feel like I've talked to you about Yuta a lot. I should mention Rika. Obviously, she looks very good. They even have like her mole. Oh, I'm telling you, I'm gonna break this fucking sword. It's a hazard. An issue I do have with the figure that you might have already seen, because like the main part is very self-contained, doesn't take up a lot of space. This sword is gonna take out my fucking eye if I keep floundering it around the way that I do. It's long, it's out there, and it's sharp. As swords should be, but the point of this thing, if I keep messing around with it, I will take out an eye. So I gotta stop. I do love my Gojo figure more. I think the Gojo figure just has a lot more presence. Everything about it is just bam. Bam. You know? This is bam. Gojo is bam. Is the only way I can truly explain it. A wish I have for like upcoming eStream figures, we still haven't heard anything about the Yuji Itadori 1/7 figure. They said they were going to start pre-orders last September. It is now January of 2023, and we don't even have a picture, an unpainted prototype, nothing. We got nada. I'm hoping that maybe they're just waiting for like season 2 to start, that they'll reveal what the next Jujutsu Kaisen figures are going to be, and I really hope that they do the manga cover. I think it would look so sweet with especially like placing him next to like Yuta and Gojo. I hope that they do the manga cover with the Skuna palm, the palm tongue, and I hope it has kind of a teal effect. Please make a good Itadori figure. I really want one. I'm very happy with just a few little nitpicks, but in the end, very happy to add them to my collection. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. If you want to give treats to Miss Chewie, come by on my Twitch. There is a reward for it. You can come say hi, give treats to Chewie, because she deserves them. Look at that face. She deserves them. All the treats, right, honey? I'll get you some. I'll get you some treats. Don't worry. And now she's got a little lipstick on her. Sorry, baby. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And yeah, that's it for now. I still have to do pre-order. I have to let y'all know my pre-orders. It's coming. It's coming. I just need to finalize a few things. Grab a few things, finalize a few things, and then we're done. Okay, I'm done. We're done talking. Okay, bye. You say bye?